Plant FAQs, Crassula Campfire. My love for Crassula Campfire. Ever since I laid eyes on the vibrant hues of Crassula Campfire in a garden center, I was instantly captivated. Its fiery red tips against a backdrop of green foliage added a burst of color to my indoor garden. As an avid succulent enthusiast, I couldn't resist adding this striking plant to my collection. Over time, I've learned the ins and outs of caring for Crassula Campfire, and today, I'm excited to share my experiences with fellow plant lovers. What is Crassula Campfire? Crassula Campfire, also known as Crassula capitella campfire, is a succulent plant prized for its eye-catching foliage. Native to South Africa, this drought-tolerant plant belongs to the Crassulaceae family. Its leaves, which range from green at the base to fiery red at the tips, resemble flickering flames, hence the name campfire. How to care for Crassula Campfire? Caring for Crassula Campfire is relatively straightforward, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here are some essential care tips to keep your Crassula Campfire thriving. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. While Crassula Campfire can tolerate some direct sunlight, too much can cause sunburn on its leaves. Watering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Water sparingly, especially during the winter months when the plant is dormant. Soil. Use a well-draining succulent or cactus potting mix to prevent waterlogged soil, which can lead to root rot. Temperature. Crassula Campfire prefers temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost, as prolonged exposure to cold temperatures can damage the plant. Pruning. Remove any dead or dried-up leaves to promote airflow and prevent disease. Fertilization. Feed your Crassula Campfire with a balanced, diluted succulent fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, to encourage healthy growth. By following these care guidelines, you can enjoy vibrant and healthy Crassula Campfire plants in your home or garden. How to propagate Crassula Campfire? Propagating Crassula Campfire is a rewarding experience that allows you to expand your succulent collection or share plants with friends. Here's how to propagate Crassula Campfire. Leaf cuttings. Gently remove a healthy leaf from the mother plant, ensuring that you include the entire leaf, including the base. Allow the leaf to callus over for a few days, then place it on well-draining soil. Mist the soil occasionally and wait for roots to develop. Stem cuttings. Use a sharp, sterile knife to cut a stem segment from the mother plant. Let the cutting dry for a few days to prevent rotting, then plant it in a suitable potting mix. Keep the soil lightly moist until roots form. Offsets. Crassula Campfire produces offsets, or baby plants, around its base. Carefully separate these offsets from the mother plant and plant them in their pots. Provide the same care as mature plants, and they will establish themselves quickly. Propagation allows you to create new plants from existing ones, ensuring a continuous supply of Crassula Campfire in your garden. Does Crassula Campfire grow in Phoenix, Arizona? Living in Phoenix, Arizona, presents unique challenges for gardening, given the region's arid climate and scorching temperatures. However, Crassula Campfire can thrive in Phoenix with proper care and attention. What to plant with Crassula Campfire? When it comes to companion planting, Crassula Campfire pairs well with other succulents and drought-tolerant plants that share similar light and water requirements. Consider planting it alongside Echeveria, Sedum, or other Crassula varieties for a stunning succulent display. With its striking appearance and easy care requirements, Crassula Campfire is a must-have addition to any succulent collection. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this captivating plant is sure to ignite your passion for succulents.